Hi guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand, and today we're going to show you a first preview of our new Ferrari F8 Tributo kit by DMC. To my surprise, there hasn't been a lot of aftermarket products out yet for this beautiful, stunning car, so I think we're here at the right time. But you know what, without talking too much, let's take a close look at the first renders that we've done, and I hope you like them. So here we see the car. Let's take a close look around and then take a look at some individual photos. We've done a rear spoiler, rear diffuser in full carbon fiber. The diffuser is more or less the same as original but in carbon. The spoiler, obviously, it is added for some downforce. Now I have to stress that all the items are not finished yet, so if you have suggestions for new designs, make it bigger, smaller or different, welcome to leave us comments. We've also done some side skirts, but I think the most beautiful and most significant changes are on the front. If you look, we covered the front lights partially so that they match the EVO style concept that we've seen on the internet before. We also added some side car nuts to make the look more aggressive and to give a little bit more downflow, and these, according to our wind tunnel research, these should also decrease the turbulence slightly. And finally, one of my favorite parts are the side grills that insert into the original front bumper. So guys, that's it. That was a first look at the brand new DMC F8 Tributo concept. We're going into production soon. If you have any comments, one more time, let us know. If you would like to see a bigger wing, a smaller wing, welcome. We're always glad to see your comments. We'll try our best to reply them all. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please hit it with a thumbs down. As always, let us know in the comments why you did or didn't like something about the video so we can improve and give you a better content in future. If you haven't done so yet, also kindly help us to subscribe that channel. Hit the little bell icon so you get notifications about new videos that we upload. Let me say one more time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Live.